Hi everyone, we're going to find the value of the discriminant and describe the nature of the roots for 12x squared minus x minus 6 equals 0. So we're going to first find the value of the discriminant. We have a equals 12, b equals -1, and c equals -6. So what we're going to do is look at our formula here and see if it's positive or negative or 0. So let's plug in. We have -1 squared minus 4ac. So this will be 1 plus 24 times 12 is going to be 288. So this equals 289. Clearly, this is a positive number. It's greater than 0. So our discriminant is positive. That means we have two distinct real roots as opposed to imaginary roots. So now we can solve this. And we're going to get, let's see, where am I? Okay. Use the quadratic formula here. Remember, our A is 12. Our B is -1. So for our quadratic formula, you're going to have x equals -b. So that's going to end up making that +1. Plus or minus square root of 289. We already did this part. Divide it by 2 times 12, or a. So now we can just kind of split this up. The square root of 289 is... So basically, you're going to get 1 plus or minus, and the square root of 289 is 17, divided by 24. So let's split this up. You have x equals 1 plus 17 divided by 24, or x equals 1 minus 16 divided by 24. This is going to give you 18 divided by 24. This is going to give you -15 divided by 24. So this is going to equal x, if you reduce it, x equals 3/4. This one gives you x equals -2/3. Oh, this should be 17, so this is -16. Sorry about that. Let me fix that real quick. I knew something looked a little off. All right. So -17, so this is -16. These answers are still the same because I already did this problem earlier. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.